Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create 60-second Instagram reel. If you are using Instagram and you want to create a reel using 60-second features, let's see how can you do that. Very first, I recommend you have to try to update your Instagram app to prevent any type of issues. So open your App Store or Play Store, go for search, and you have to simply search for Instagram. And you have to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. There is no any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find you have to try to update your app, so after updating, you have to simply go back and open your Instagram app. Now here, just tap on this plus option in the top left, and then select Reels option from here. Now go tap on this camera option to record a video here. Now here you will get the option of 60. Just enable this 60-second option from here, or you can select the length which you want. Once you have selected, now you just have to start recording, and you can record a reel from here, or you can also select 60 seconds from here and then go to your gallery, and you can also select a 60 seconds length video from your gallery. So once have you recorded a 60-second long video, you can also edit it in different ways in which way you want. You can also save it after editing, or you can select this edit video option to edit it in depth. So once you have done, just tap on this next option and your reel will be shared. So in this way you can easily create 60-second reel. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.